Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm doing another cig review on a Marlboro Menthol Ultralights, or Marlboro Menthol Silvers, I guess. It says Silvers on it somewhere. Marlboro Menthol Silver Pack. The front of the pack says Menthol, mellow, fresh menthol flavor. And right here, where these lines are silver, and right here is silver, on the regular Marlboro Menthol regular lights, not the ultralights, that stuff's all gold. And I'm pretty sure like the ultralights only have like a fifth of the tar and nicotine that like regular cigarettes do or something, and the lights have like half. But the bottom of the pack's the same thing as the top. The side is just the barcode and shit, and then the Surgeon General's warning is on this side. And the cigarette looks like this. 2 green stripes. It says Marlboro Silver, and just a regular white filter. And the regular Marlboro Menthol lights have 3 gold stripes, and it says Marlboro in green right there. You can see I packed it in a little bit. I'm gonna light it up. Oh, I just realized I forgot to smell the cigarette first. So at the end of the video, I will smell a different cigarette that's in my pack. And there's 2 like lines of perforations on it. You probably can't see it, but like right there. Yeah, I doubt you can see that. But anyway, I'll take a drag of this, get the initial taste. I'm not as bad as I was expecting, because it is an ultralight cigarette. They usually fucking suck. Alright, I'm gonna check the body. I'm just gonna guess that it's gonna be really weak. Yeah, the body's pretty weak, but I mean, it's actually not that bad for an ultralight. I'm pretty surprised. Alright, so I'm gonna inhale it, see how harsh it is. Surprisingly, it's got a bit of, you can kind of feel it, which is surprising because ultralights normally, you feel like you're smoking oxygen or something. Like, you feel like you're not even smoking when you smoke an ultralight cigarette. I know Marlboro ultralights, they are fucking terrible, but the menthol ultralights aren't that bad. I'm honestly pretty surprised. Alright, so now I'm gonna blow it out of my nose, see how that feels or whatever. It doesn't burn at all. Normally menthol cigarettes kind of burn when you blow out of your nose. Like a little bit it burns, but like menthols burn a little bit when you blow out of your nose, but I mean it is an ultralight, so that would explain why it doesn't. I'm gonna do a French inhale. That always bothers your nose with menthols, like always. Oh, and one thing I did notice about these is sometimes when you smoke it, you can kind of hear it, like the tobacco crackling. Maybe they let the ultralights dry out or something. I don't know how they make it ultralight. I have no fucking idea. But I'm gonna do a French inhale, see if that bothers my nose at all. Yeah, it still bothers your nose, even though it's an ultralight. Alright, so for the taste and flavor, pretty good taste. You can't really taste the tobacco that much. It's more just like a very smooth and very mellow menthol taste. Maybe you can taste like a tiny bit of tobacco. Oh, these burn pretty freaking, they actually burn pretty fast too. I'm kind of surprised. Marlboro cigarettes usually burn pretty slow, but these burn pretty fast. So for the flavor and taste, I'll give it a 7.5, 7.5, around there. Pretty good. The harshness, 5 out of 10, which is surprisingly strong for an ultralight. And the smell of the tobacco. Yeah, you just don't really smell anything when you blow it out your nose, but that's probably because it is an ultralight. And the burn time is pretty shitty, so that kind of sucks. Oh, now I'm just going to put my lips over the perforations for these last like 2 drags to see if I can get the body any better. That makes it a lot better. And on ultralights, the bottom of the filter gets a lot darker of a brown than on like lights or regular cigarettes. I guess they make the filter more compact or something that blocks out more of the shit. So overall, I'd have to give these a 6.5 out of 10, which I'm pretty surprised. These cigarettes are a lot better than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be pretty shitty because they're an ultralight. Now I'm just going to smell one of the cigarettes because I forgot to do that in the beginning. You can smell the tobacco and the menthol. It smells like a very like mild tobacco with like a very with a small hint of menthol. It smells pretty good. So alright YouTube, peace out, happy smoking.